Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shah Muhammad Saleem, and after over 3 decades in corporate world, leading in marketing, sales, business excellence, and demand management, I have seen exactly what the corporate world demands. I know many of you watching come from a science background. You put your heart into your medical preparation. Maybe the medical test didn't work out, and right now you feel disappointed. Let me be clear, it is absolutely not the end of the road. Your rigorous science training, your analytical mind, your comfort with complex data, those are the greatest assets in today's corporate world. This is why at Salim Habib University, our programs are designed to harness your analytical strength. Our programs like BS in Business Analytics are a perfect fit. Supply chain management. It's a game of optimization of process flows, the very logic you use in your science subjects. Your ability to think systematically is what companies need to manage global logistics. And for my domain marketing, it's no longer guesswork. Our BBA in marketing specialization is now completely data-driven. We teach you to use analytics to predict consumer behavior, to optimize campaigns, and to drive sales. We keep you with skills in fintech, integrate AI into your learning, and give you the industry connection to thrive. Your science background is your head start. Don't mourn the medical path you left behind. Celebrate the corporate path you are now forging. At Salim Habib University, your next success story begins. Salim Habib University, where your analytical mindset finds its future.